I met Elon in 2010. It took me 4 years of doing research before we ultimately decided to invest. We invested a total of approximately $400 million, $380 million in 3 years is when we were buying the stock, and that was it. And the average price, and we've made about 20 times our money since. Then we made at the peak, and we probably made about $5.5 billion profit so far, and I think we'll make another 5 times in the next 7 or 8 or 9 or 10 years. What made us buy? It is that he is a mission-driven person. His idea was to try to convert the United States, the world, from using petrol to using electricity. I thought initially it was unlikely he'd be successful. That's when I met him in 2010-2014. I had become convinced he would become successful, and we invested approximately 2% of our assets at that time. 2% of the $21 or $22 billion that we had under management. We now have about 41 billion ion out of the 41 billion, 41 billion, 40 billion is profits that we made for our clients over the past since 1992. So basically we invested because I thought there was a big upside. I thought he was a brilliant guy. I still think that we continue to work on our research in this company all the time. Virtually every week we're talking to someone there. I was out in Palo Alto a week ago, and I was there for an afternoon, and I met with 2 executives who were the people who were in charge of autonomous driving and also in charge of compute. When NVIDIA does the chips today, we are being guided by none other than the visionary investor Ron Barron. As we go deep into the heart of Tesla's revolutionary journey, we'll reveal the truth behind Ron Barron's bold statements and smart investments. In this exciting episode of Tesla Stock News, we'll go on an exciting journey through Ron Barron's thoughts and predictions, looking at what led to Tesla's rapid rise, from groundbreaking innovations in self-driving cars to SpaceX's monumental goals. Ron Barron's visionary outlook says it will change the way people spend and use technology. So sit back, relax, and get ready to be inspired as we solve the mystery of Ron Barron's Tesla predictions. Come along on this exciting ride as we find the keys to Tesla's future success and find out what's in store for us. Beyond the horizon of new ideas, come on over to Ron Barron's Tesla predictions for an exciting journey of discovery, enlightenment, and endless potential. But first, if you haven't already, click the like button now to subscribe to our channel. And buttons too. Subscribe. Welcome to Tesla Stock News. Let's get started. Imagine being at the forefront of innovation like how Intel changed the way computers work. Now, fast forward to the present day and imagine Tesla is leading the way in the autonomous driving revolution in cars. Imagine every car being equipped with Tesla's autonomous driving technology, leaving competitors in the dust. It's not just about making money, it's about shaping the future. The possibilities are endless, with Tesla potentially multiplying investments tenfold over the next 10 or 20 years. This is how big. Tesla's goals are a projected production of 15 to 20 million cars per year, a large portion of which will seamlessly combine their cutting-edge self-driving technology. This amazing visionary leap isn't a coincidence. It's the result of Elon Musk's strategic foresight and never-ending pursuit of innovation. Imagine having exclusive access to Tesla's inner workings, especially their progress in computing and autonomous driving. Elon Musk, the driving force behind this revolutionary transformation, opens the doors to discuss their groundbreaking technologies. Now let's take a moment to reflect on the journey from the initial investment to seeing Tesla's stock skyrocket by an amazing 1,600%. Musk's unwavering commitment to changing the world's paradigm from gasoline to electricity was what sparked this first investment. Even though I was skeptical at first, thorough research showed me the huge potential, which led me to confidently invest about 2% of my assets in 2016, a decision that has yielded unmatched returns. But what really sets Tesla apart isn't just making cars or batteries, it's about rewriting the rules of whole industries through regular engagements with Tesla's top-tier executives. It's clear that they are the best at both autonomous cars and computers. Tesla isn't just a business, it's a force that changes things for the better. While others choose to outsource, Tesla's strategy is similar to Intel's integration into computers, setting it up for unmatched dominance in the autonomous driving landscape. So why stay with Tesla when it's making so much money? Because it's not just about the money, it's about being a part of a transformative movement. Journey, as long as Tesla keeps coming up with new ideas, no one else can match its promise for exponential growth. Get ready to see history being made. Tesla will put a Tesla in every car, changing the way we travel, just like Tesla changed the way electric cars work. Ron made his second big purchase. SpaceX is the company in question, but why bet big on a private company? Let's jump in between 2014 and 2016 during Tesla's rapid rise. Ron was just as interested in, if not more interested in, SpaceX because he saw how much it could grow. $700 million poured into SpaceX in the years after 2017. Venture, Ron's unwavering faith in the company's future. This investment stands tall today, worth nearly $1 billion, a substantial return on his foresight and strategic investment. To put put this into perspective, imagine investing in Tesla stock when it was trading at a fraction of its current value, say around $120 per share. Today, Tesla's stock price hovers around $188 per share, an astronomical growth of nearly 840% in just a few short years. Now think about the growth potential in SpaceX, a company that is set to revolutionize space travel and satellite technology with Ron Barron's strategic investments totaling nearly $1 billion. The sky is really the limit, but the journey doesn't end here. In fact, it's just starting. With the launch of Starlink, SpaceX's prospects soar to new heights, and the promise of global satellite broadband connection sparks people's imaginations and gets investors excited. Analysts think that SpaceX's value will double in the next 3 years thanks to Starlink's disruptive abilities. Their predictions go even further into the future, with estimates ranging from $150 billion to $300 billion by 2030, showing exponential growth and market dominance. In fact, SpaceX's path is very similar to Tesla's with both companies set to redefine industries and change the rules of the game as SpaceX continues to push the limits of space exploration and satellite technology. Ron is at the forefront of this dramatic change thanks to his smart investments. There is a lot of possibility for growth beneath the surface of Journey, and it will pay off for years to come thanks to foresight and innovation. Imagine a future where investments in SpaceX give returns that are many times higher than their current value. Every dollar put into the venture will be worth many times more by the 2030s. SpaceX will be the company leading this revolution in space exploration. SpaceX is unique not only because it can launch rockets, but also because it has the audacity to change the rules of space travel by being the first company to use rockets more than once. SpaceX isn't just pulling costs down, they're also making space more accessible to everyone. The days of expensive, one-time use spacecraft are over. Instead, SpaceX's new approach promises to make space exploration more accessible and environmentally friendly than ever before. And then there's Starlink, which plans to launch an amazing fleet of 30,000 satellites, which will really change the game. Traditional government programs are having a hard time with the logistics and costs of building infrastructure on Earth, but SpaceX wants to cover the whole planet with high-speed internet, even in the most rural areas. SpaceX gives a beautiful answer space broadband that costs a lot less than land-based broadband success for Starlink would have huge effects and could bring in trillions of dollars every year. SpaceX is ready to take over the growing market for internet access in space, and investors like Ron saw how powerful these kinds of innovations could be in changing lives. The money spent as SpaceX continues to push the limits of what's possible. The sky is no longer the limit. This is just the start of a new era in space exploration and connectivity. But it's not just about making money, it's also about protecting our future by making interplanetary travel possible and making sure Earth's connectivity. Ron's strategic vision invest in SpaceX isn't just about making money, it's about supporting the future of humanity. Think about this, Elon Musk isn't just a game changer, he's a visionary. From reusable rockets to satellite broadband, his businesses redefine what's possible. Take SpaceX as an example. It's not just about going to Mars, it's about changing whole industries with self-driving electric cars. Ron isn't just betting on businesses, he's also betting on a man who represents innovation. There is a risk when you invest in a single person, which is called key and risk, but Elon isn't your average CEO, he's deeply involved and hands-on. Unlike his time at Apple, where he felt disconnected, Elon's presence at Tesla is palpable. He's not just a leader, he's an inspiration with an unmatched ability to solve problems on the fly. Imagine walking through a factory with Elon Musk. He knows everyone by name and every detail of the operation. He's not just a businessman, he's a modern day. The smartest people from all over the world came to work with Da Vinci. 3.5 million applicants vying for 4. A mere 30,000 jobs. It's a testament to his magnetic leadership. Indeed, navigating the realm of investment, particularly with smaller companies like SpaceX, can be fraught with uncertainty, yet amid the unknowns, there's a prevailing sense of optimism fueled by the undeniable momentum propelling both SpaceX and Tesla forward as these entities burgeon. So does Elon Musk's enduring legacy a testament to his visionary leadership and unwavering commitment to innovation while uncertainties may linger. They are overshadowed by Elon's remarkable track record of success, with each milestone achieved and each technological breakthrough. His stature as a pioneer in the realms of space exploration and sustainable transportation only grows stronger. Moreover, it's not just Elon's brilliance that underpins this trajectory, it's also the caliber of talent he attracts. Some of the brightest minds in their fields are drawn to SpaceX and Tesla, which solidifies their position at the forefront of innovation. With Elon Musk at the helm and a dedicated team of visionaries by his side, the future looks bright. SpaceX and Tesla are about to keep going up, changing the rules of their industries in the course of history. When investors like Ron put their money on these changing businesses, they do so with faith that they will leave a lasting legacy that goes beyond just making money and embraces progress and innovation for the good of all people. That's all of Ron's predictions. We're going on a trip through the realms of innovation and investing today. With Elon Musk's visionary leadership and the groundbreaking work of Tesla and SpaceX, the possibilities are endless. When we look back at the amazing journey of Tesla and SpaceX, it's clear that these aren't just companies, they're forces for change, driven by a desire to make the future better. From seeing Tesla's stock soar to seeing SpaceX's daring missions into space, it's clear that we're seeing history being made. But amidst the excitement, questions still remain. What will the next 10 years hold for Tesla and SpaceX? How will Elon Musk's visionary leadership continue to shape the course of innovation? What role will investors play in fueling this transformative journey? Share your thoughts, leave a comment below, and don't forget to show your support by listening to Tesla Stock News. Also, don't forget to like and share the video. In addition, you can join to get the newest ideas and news. Thanks for going on this trip with us. Until next time.